Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today we'll be learning about appending list items, specifically about the append method as well as the extend method. Now, appending list items, what is it all about? We have our good old list, a list with item 1, 2, and 3. Now, append is another word for add. So a list dot append is the same as add this item over here to a list. That's all it is, as simple as it is. And you can add as many as you want. For demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna add, one item, and it goes to the back of here. If you add 2, 3 more items, they just go to the back like that. Next up, extending list. Once again, a list, and we have another list, numbers 4, 5, 6, 7. A list dot extend numbers. We use append for individual items. Extend is for a whole list. Okay, it doesn't have to be a list actually. It could just be a tuple. It could be different forms of data sets. And as I've said here, elements are added to the end of the list. So 4, 5, 6, 7, it goes like that. Last but not least, adding iterable. What is an iterable? Iterable is a data that you can iterate or loop over. Examples of iterable are lists, strings, dictionaries, tuples, the data sets arrays are all iterable. We have our a list, our numbers list, and then we have a string greeting. Now, if we extend numbers into a list, what do you think will happen? It would be item 4 and item 5. Now, if we extend greeting to a list, what do you think would happen? Well, let's figure it out. A list, item 1, item 2, item 3. Numbers. Now, this is a tuple, item 4, item 5. Greeting equals to world. A list dot extend numbers. So now our a list includes whatever is in numbers. It is no longer the original a list up here. It's been changed, and anything that goes after this statement right here will be working with a list plus numbers. Print a list. A list dot append hello. A list dot extend greeting. Print a list. Ctrl S to save. As you can see here, item 1, 2, 3, and 4 is a combination of a list and numbers with the extend method. Now next we append hello to this a list right here. As you can see, we have hello over here. Now we can extend greeting. Instead of having it all in one item like hello, extend breaks down the string into individual elements. Okay? Now, what would happen if you append greeting? Trust to save. It would be treated as one world instead of WORLD. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be about removing list items since we're done with adding it. Remember to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.